Hello, this is David Nutt. I'm Chair of Drug Science, and I want to welcome you to our Ask David Anything series of questions. So James asks, in relation to alcohol, to what extent is the experience of alcohol open to the influence of set and setting? I.e., to what extent are non-pharmacological factors relevant? And of course, well, absolutely right, that both scientifically and also experientially and personally, people have discovered over many thousands of years that where you drink alcohol and who you're with when you drink alcohol can have a very powerful effect. We know that if people drink alcohol in the context of wanting to get into fights, then they can get into fights. And if we want to drink alcohol in the context of relaxing and being happy, they can relax and get happy. So there is no question that there's the intent or the ambition of drinking can be a powerful mediator in the impact of alcohol. And more than that, the brain learns. We know that the brain learns to anticipate the effect of alcohol. So, for instance, I can talk about a patient of mine many years ago who used to drink quite heavily in a bar and a pub to deal with his anxiety. And over the years, he drank more and more because his brain became tolerant to the effects of the alcohol. And that tolerance was partly due to the brain turning on mechanisms to offset the effects of alcohol before he drank, to sort of get him ready to drink. And one day he was delayed getting into the bar, and those internal brain processes kicked in. His tolerance started to turn on before he could get the first drink down him. And he became very, very, very anxious and had a panic attack. So those subconscious, learnt, adaptive processes can be powerful in regulating your response to alcohol. If you like my answer, please leave a review and a rating on your podcast app. For tickets for our live podcast on psychedelics on the evening of the 13th of November in London, go to the drugscience.org.uk website. You'll also find a lot of very useful information there. And of course, you can tweet me at Prof. David Nutt or hashtag AskDavidAnything to get your questions answered.